Hey guys, it's Suzanne LeRoux, and I'm here to tell you about our vitamin D mist update. So we updated the preservative system to meet our EcoCert standards, and while we were at it, we added more oleosomes. Oleosomes are tiny little bubbles that when you spray onto the skin, they release vitamin E over time to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed. The vitamin D comes from Reiki mushroom, which is the only vegetable source of vitamin D, and it helps to strengthen your skin's own natural defense system. So I just wanted to kind of tell you guys why I love vitamin D and when I use it. So shake before you use it, and you can mist anytime just to refresh your skin and give it a natural glow and hydration. This is actually really great for people who don't maybe like to use moisturizers. So in the summertime, it's hot, you're sticky, you can cleanse your skin, and then just spritz this on for a nice, refreshing moisturizer that's weightless. Then for you guys that are maybe have troubled skin or have some issues with breakouts, this is really good because it has a nice and low pH of around 5. So after you cleanse your skin, this will help to refat the surface of the skin with the hydrating oleosomes, and it will help bring your skin back down to a lower pH, which just fosters a more healthy environment for the skin and discourages the growth of bacteria and acne. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is not like a normal watery mist. I wanted to show you that it's actually like a moisturizer in a spray jar. So I'm going to take the cap off. And I have a little lab beaker here. And you guys can see that this is pure moisture. So it's literally moisturizer in a spray bottle. So again, use it anytime you need to refresh the skin. You can do it before your makeup, after your makeup, anytime at your desk, sitting by the pool, but use it especially after you cleanse to get moisture back on the skin and get your pH levels back down. If you guys have any other questions about how to use our products, just email us at service@oneloveorganics.com. Thanks.